Hey, Mr. Adam. This is Denisha Wiggins. I spoke to you earlier on the phone. I live and work here in Winston-Salem, and this is my business, Sale Connect Marketing. And I just want to thank you for giving me the opportunity to show you what I could possibly do for your business. Um, and before I get started, I definitely want to say that I applaud you for doing the landscaping for the school system. I was in the school system for a while. I've been teaching for 8 years, and now I'm doing coordinating and also doing marketing. So, so yeah. So basically, this is just a video analysis of pretty much what I could do for your business. I'm going to go over three things that will help you bring in more customers. The first thing I'll go over is content, then I'll go over backlinks, and then citations. Those are the three things we'll talk about. And like I said earlier on the phone, if at the end of the video, if you like it, you can reach back out to me and we can talk more and see if I could partner with you. And if not, you can just take this all as free information. All right, so we can dive in. So the first thing I'm going to go over with you is content. These guys are your competition. They're New Garden. I typed in landscaping Winston-Salem. I know you do other areas, Fairtown, Clemens, High Point, but I saw that Winston-Salem is close to you, and they have a lot of people that are searching for landscaping. So I thought this would be the best area for you to grow in. So yeah, these guys, New Garden is your competition. I typed in landscaping Winston-Salem, and these are directories. They're the first company to pop up, the first local company to pop up. So these guys are your competition. So I know you don't have a website, so we'll be looking at their page to pretty much see, to compare you to to show you what you could do to beat them. Since these guys are number one. All right, so basically the first thing with content is that Google generally likes to see between 1,500 to 2,000 words on a home page. And I'm just going to quickly I'm going to copy this and make sure I put it into my word counter really quick. So they have about 900 words. They have about 900 words, which is a little bit below the 1,500 to 2,000 mark. And what I could do for you is basically make sure you have between that 1,500 and 2,000 words on your website. Well, when you get a website, to make sure we can beat them. So in content, we could already do that. Let's go back to their page. And yeah, just having a lot of content between 1,500 and 2,000 words on your website pretty much just helps Google see that you have more information to go through. You have more to offer. And also with content, with having that, you also want to make sure you have keywords that are being searched for on a regular basis, and in order for Google to kind of find you guys as authority. So, and I know you're probably wondering what's a keyword. A keyword is basically anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or a product. Let's see. So let's go up here to So if we're here in the search, and I type in landscaping Winston-Salem, that's a keyword. That's a service that you provide in the area, correct? So I'm just going to refresh it. And when you type in a service, you know, the businesses pop up. And looking here in the organic section, you would want to be here. They're here popping up because they have this keyword inside of their website multiple times. So you want things like landscaping Winston-Salem on your page, landscaper in Winston-Salem, things like that, so that when people are typing it in, your page is getting seen. So yeah, basically with content, you want to make sure you have between 1,500 to 2,000 words on your page, just so Google can see that you have a lot to offer. And you also want to make sure you have those keywords on there. And also in Winston-Salem, there's 480 people searching per month for landscaping. So that's 480 people that you're missing out on by not having your website. Sorry, that's my baby in the background. But yeah, that's a lot of people that you're missing out on by not having your website. So that would be definitely something that you should work on, is getting a website to start getting the people that are searching on here. The next thing I want to go over with you is it's called backlinks. And a backlink is pretty much anywhere you find someone's website linking back to your site. And this is pretty much like a popularity contest in Google's eyes. But not all backlinks are equal. For example, if you have, let's say, like a pizza shop, if you have like a pizza shop linking back to yours saying, hey, these guys are the best landscapers, that's that's not really relevant, right? A pizza shop talking about landscaping, it's not really relevant. You want something that's relevant to your industry, which is landscaping, lawn care services. So I'm gonna show you a tool that I use called Ahrefs, and I paid $400 a month for this, but I use it to get a lot of information for websites and use it to help me keep up with competition. And you can use this as well. But yeah, we're looking at your competition's information. Remember New Garden? We're looking at their information, and we see that they have 46 backlinks, which are the links between each page of their website, linking back to each other. And they have 13 referring domains, which means 13 other websites linking back to theirs, saying that they're powerful. This is the best landscapers, and what we would have to do is basically go in here and see which websites are saying that they're powerful, and we can submit your business to these same companies. Home Blue, okay, that's a good one. Distant Horizon, oh yeah, Garden Landscape Ideas. Remember I was talking about websites and links that are relevant. You want ones that are relevant. The ones that are relevant are powerful. So yeah, you get the idea. Pretty much with backlinks, it's like a popularity contest. The page with the most backlinks and the most relevant backlinks wins, right? So we went over content and backlinks. So the final thing I want to quickly go over with you is something called citations. Go here. All right. So pretty much a citation is anywhere where your business name, address, and phone number. Let's see. Let me go into it so I can show you exactly. Let's go to these guys. No, that's the ad. That's an ad as well. Let's go to them. They're the first ones. So yeah, a citation is pretty much anywhere where your business name, address, and phone number are shown here on the map pack on other pages. So for example, you want these three things posted on directories, linking you back to this page so that Google can put you here in the map pack. I'm going to go back so you can see landscaping Winston-Salem, and the first thing that you see is the map pack here. This is pretty much where your Google business profile page lives, and you get ranked here in the map pack by having a lot of citations posted into different directories. And again, the citations is your business name, your address, and your phone number. Those three things exactly how they are on your business profile into directories. And the more you have, the higher you'll rank in here. So yeah, the competition you have in here, still same landscaping Winston-Salem, but we're trying to rank in the map pack. Triad Weed Free of Winston-Salem. These are ads, so you know they don't really count for now. So I'm gonna go over here and show you one more tool that I used. It's called White Sparks, and you see that they have 22 citations. Triad Weed Free. Those are the guys that were first in the map pack. And basically, what we could do for you, same thing, is make sure that we go through these directories and add your name and your citations to these same directories and add them to even more directories. And you can even add them to your social media sites as well. You see they have Facebook, Yelp, Bing, BBB. These are good ones. These are, oh, expertise is a good one as well. So yeah, we would definitely add your citations to these. Yeah, that's definitely beatable. So yeah, I couldn't find your business profile in here. You might have to create one. I mean, I can create one for you, but I couldn't find yours in here. So yeah, those are the three things I wanted to go over with you. Is content, backlinks, and citations. And these three things are really important because the idea is that your brand is getting found by Google, because Google is constantly searching. It's constantly searching the internet, and the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. So, you know, the more you'll rank. And definitely having a Google business profile here and having your citation in there is really important, because this is the first thing that people see when they type into a service. When they type into Google a service, this is the first thing they see, you know. So yeah, you want it in organics as well. That's what having your website is for. But definitely having it here in the map pack, having a Google business profile is very important. So yeah, overall we went over content, which is, you know, having between 1,500 and 2,000 words on a web page, and also having those keywords on there as well. And you also want to make sure you have backlinks in there. Remember, that's the Google popularity contest I was telling you about, where you have to have more pages linking back to yours so that you could win. And then the last thing we went over was citations. That's your business name, address, and phone number listed into directories so that you can go ahead and get your business ranking in the map pack and start bringing in leads. So yeah, this is generally what I do to help businesses, and I stay up to date with the competition. I'm checking their citations, seeing if you need to have more directories than them, you know, things like that. And of course, there's Google ads that you can do. There's Facebook ads, Facebook business profiles, Instagram. There's all kinds of things that you can do to beat your competition, and I could definitely help you in those things. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, reach back out to me and we can discuss some more. And again, my name is Denisha Wiggins. I'm the owner of Cell Connect Marketing, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. I hope to hear back from you soon. All right, bye-bye.